Students, we will today perform the experiment number 6, which is to determine the voltage regulation of an alternator by direct load. Actually, we will perform this experiment only for the low ratings alternators. It should not be performed for a high rating alternators, because for high rating alternators this method is not suitable. So this method is only suitable for low rating alternators. So in this experiment, let us first understand what is voltage regulation. So voltage regulation is the rising voltage when full load is removed by dividing by the terminal voltage, keeping the field and the speed constant. So this is the field regulation. Mathematically it is given by E0 minus V divided by V into 100. So what are these parameters? This E0 is the no load voltage, V is the terminal voltage divided by V. Now students, this difference is not vectorial, it is rather arithmetic difference. So here, if we will find out E0 minus V and it comes out to be positive, then we will say that the alternator is having positive or voltage up regulation, and if it is negative, then it will give you negative regulation. Now further, the circuit diagram of this experiment. So this is the circuit diagram of this experiment. We have a DC supply which is already connected in the machine, and we have a variable resistance. So this arrangement is made so as to control the field current, which is denoted by IF. Now IF is controlled, as a result the field winding flux is controlled. As a result, we will now link this flux to the armature circuit. Now from the armature circuit we have no load voltage as well as the voltage across any two phases. So by arranging this circuit diagram, we can take the reading of E0. We can also take the reading of the terminal voltage, which is denoted by the letter V. So by determining E0 and V, we can determine the percentage regulation. Now here the important thing is we have to keep this N constant and the excitation constant. So now we will perform the experiment, students. Now student, this is the kit for parallel operation of alternator. As you can see, this side we have a set of alternator and a motor, and we have also another set, that is alternator and motor. Now we will perform with the help of either of these two. So we will do with this alternator. There is a motor coupled to this machine. So I have made this connection according to the armature, field, everything we have connected as per the circuit diagram. Now there is a controller, student. I will first switch on the MCB. So you have to check the no load voltage as well as the terminal voltage from this meter. So these are the accessories, and this is the ammeter which will show you the load current. Now student, we have a synchronoscope. We have not connected it because we do not need it in this experiment. We have a frequency meter. By this meter we can know the frequency of the supply. So let us start the experiment. So we have put on the switch on or MCB on. Now this exciter is also on. We will now adjust this value and note down the speed. Now student, as I gradually increase this controller, you can see the speed is increased. Now you can check the frequency also. Here